5. Travel Pack Vacuum Kit you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Extra Travel Pack Vacuum Kit. Travel vacuum bags with pump odor and waterproof anti-rip nylon compression bags. Space Saver vacuum storage bags. Wireless vacuum pump for 15 plus items for pack. Number 2. Large compression packing cubes for travel packing cube luggage organizers. 7-piece set for checked luggage. Lidl Tri-Light. Expandable compression bags by Tripped Travel Gear, gray-orange. Number 3. VacBird vacuum bags for travel with rechargeable air pump. Carry-on size compression packing bags for luggage and suitcase. Space Saver for clothes and clothing, 15 combo travel size. Number 4. Cozy Essential Travel Vacuum Storage Bags with rechargeable, cordless USB pump. Space Saver bags for luggage, suitcase, carry-on, for clothes, blankets, bedding, and seasonal storage. 8 combo. Number 5. UpGoGo Travel Vacuum Bags for luggage with portable electric pump. Vacuum seal bags for clothing, packing cubes, compression, cruise ship and travel essentials combo 9-pack. Thanks for watching. Link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.